Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the process of replacing the fans on the HP Omen 15. Before we start, make sure you have the following tools handy: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for avoiding any damage during the repair. First, power down your laptop and unplug it from any power source. Safety first. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You'll need to remove the screws securing the back cover. There are usually around 10 screws, so keep them organized. If you find yourself short on tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get the help you need. Once all screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious as you lift it off to avoid damaging any clips. After removing the panel, you'll see the internal components of your laptop, including the fans. Now, locate the fan you want to replace. You'll notice it's secured with a few screws. Carefully unscrew them and disconnect the fan's power cable from the motherboard. If you're not comfortable performing this step, we can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to identify any issues. With the old fan removed, it's a good time to clean the area. Use compressed air to remove dust and debris, which can hinder performance. Remember, a clean laptop runs better. Next, take your new fan and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the fan's power cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. If you need assistance with this or prefer not to risk any errors, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and costs. After the new fan is installed, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover once again. Finally, flip your laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on. Check if the new fan is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues or prefer a hassle-free experience, remember, no calls, no travel, just let us handle it. That wraps up our guide to replacing the fans on your HP Omen 15. Make sure to subscribe for more technical tips and tutorials. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.